Hello and welcome to this video presentation on how lecturers can use the Merit Project's Moodle Analyzer app for student performance tracking in Power BI made by TALTECH to help you track the progress of the students and provide timely feedback. To protect student privacy, all displayed details including names and key identifiers have been randomized and altered. This ensures that no actual student information is shown. As a lecturer, you'll work with two primary views, the performance and performance in subjects. Let's start with the performance view. In the performance view, you can monitor the progress of all the students enrolled in the department courses. Here, each row represents a student and each column corresponds to a course. This gives you a snapshot of how well the students are doing across all their courses. You can also use the period selection option to filter the data based on a specific time frame. This allows you to analyze students' performance during a particular semester. Simply select the relevant period from the drop-down and the dashboard will update to show the grades within that time frame. Currently, we are viewing period of January 2023 to June 2023, but we can change it from September 2022 to January 2023 and the table updates. Now let's look at the performance in subjects view. This allows you to focus on students' performance within specific module programs. You can filter the courses by module, helping you to concentrate on subject-specific performance, or you can select individual courses. For example, currently we are seeing here all the courses, so no individual module is selected. But now we take this industrial engineering module. This filters only the courses for that module. By selecting a particular module, you can narrow your focus to courses that are relevant to a specific program or subject area. In both the performance and performance in subjects view, you have an option to drill through for more detailed information. By selecting a student and drilling through to the student's results view, you can see a breakdown of their performance in individual tasks. Let's take Abigail Miller. Drill through the student's results. For this, right-click on her name, go to Drill Through and select Student Results. This detailed view shows the final grade for each task, the maximum grade possible, the percentage achieved, which is color-coded, green for high performance, orange and yellow for moderate performance, red for low performance or missed assignments. This detailed information allows you to understand exactly where the students are excelling and where they might need an additional support. Then there is an option to drill through to subject. Let's take the course EMT 0150, drill through, filter subject. But the same can be achieved by selecting only a single course in the performance in subjects view. Another option for drill throughs is the filter student, which will show you a specific student's overall grades in the enrolled courses. Let's take Abigail and drill through, filter student. Here you can see her overall grades in the courses where she has been enrolled. By using the performance and performance in subjects view along with the drill through functionality, you can easily identify trends in your classes. This allows you to spot common challenges across multiple students or tasks. Provide targeted intervention for students who may be underperforming in specific areas. For example, if you notice that large portion of the class is struggling with a particular assessment or course, you can adjust the teaching methods or offer additional resources to support them. Use these tools to provide timely feedback and ensure students are on the path to success. Thank you for joining me in this video, and I hope it has given you a clear understanding on how the Merit Project's Moodle Analyzer app can transform the students' performance tracking.